Hi there, today I'm going to show you how you can use your voice to control your smart ceiling fan from 3Cubes. We'll be using the Amazon Echo for this demonstration, but of course it works pretty well with Google Home at the same time. The fan is readily available right now through our website, www.3cubes.com.sg. That would be THREECUBES.com.sg. So here we go. Alexa, turn on the ceiling fan.
Okay.
Alexa, set ceiling fan speed to 3.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the ceiling fan.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the light.
Okay.
Alexa, set the light to 10%.
Okay.
Alexa, set the light to 100%.